Turn that music on. Oh. Caesar!
The big dog.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Austin! Austin! Oh, you're taping.
He's playing! Damn earthquake! Fuck you! My boobies hurt.
My boobies hurt!
Karate chop.
My boobs are so big.
My boobs are so
Let's
big.
see it, let's see it.
It took 2,000 factories just to make a little teensy weensy incy sketch.
Really? Because they took every wire hanger in the world to sit there
Those
and
some
make
big doobies.
the little hooks on the back of your bra.
There's some big babies right there.
Oh yeah?
Oh!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
My boobs are so big.
My boobs are so big, I bounced you all
Like a
over this
balloon.
court. Oh my gosh.
Well, let's go. Let's go.
Ready?
Yeah, ready?
One.
She'll fucking knock your ass over.
Yeah!
You ready? You ready for this?
Ready?
Come on.
Hold on. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh no, Austin! Austin down! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Gangsta kick! Gangsta kick!
Running some old George.
Shit.
Booze in my booze.
My friends are crazy. My life's crazy! My life's crazy!
I'm Peter Griffin.
Who's outside? Shake that booty, girl. Look at that paw press. Oh, shake that booty, girl.
He's recording you.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
And then Dirty finds out. What if Dirty finds out?
Look at that shirt.
Fucking knee hurts.
Well, it's not my fucking fault.
Just make it feel better.
Not really.
Show me his boobies and I'll walk away.
She showed him.
No, you didn't, because I was
Didn't
looking.
you?
I was looking.
Supposed to go along with it, damn it.
Fine, I showed my tits.
No, you didn't, because I recorded.
Woo!
Ah!
Two
Look
paws.
at that. Oh yeah, I want some of that.
Yeah!
Juicy ass. Turn that shit off. I don't know what. Fuck your look.
Guess what this? Superman jump!
I'm gonna make sure the kids aren't dead.
Dude, let's go walk downstairs and videotape. Let's go. Come on.
Brian, where's some earphones?
I don't know. I think you took them. Look down my basement. What y'all fools doing? This is going on YouTube. This is going on YouTube. They're retarded. They're trying to be stars.
No, this is how you do it. What's up?
See ya.